Effective logging in Java. From Log4j to SLF4J, implementing logging is a crucial aspect of every software development process. It lets developers trace an app's flow, debug issues, and monitor its performance. In Java, logging can use various frameworks. Log4j and SLF4J are the most common. Log4j is a strong, flexible logging tool. SLF4J, simple logging facade for Java, is an abstraction layer for logging frameworks. Understanding the basics of Java logging. Logging in Java is more than just printing messages to the console. It involves structured logging, log levels, formatting, and storage, all help in debugging and performance analysis. To log in Java, developers can use the built-in Java util logging package. Introduction to Log4j. Log4j is one of the most widely used Java-based logging frameworks. It provides extensive configuration options, many logging levels, and a variety of appenders. Log4j has been around for a long time, making it a mature and robust choice for logging in Java applications. Introduction to SLF4J. SLF4J, simple logging facade for Java, abstracts various logging frameworks, including Log4j. SLF4J lets you switch logging implementations. You won't need to change your logging statements. Comparing Log4j and SLF4J. Both Log4j and SLF4J are excellent logging frameworks, but they serve different purposes to a small extent. Log4j is a full logging framework. It has appenders, formatters, and configs. SLF4J is a logging facade. It provides a uniform API for various logging frameworks. Conclusion. In conclusion, effective logging is crucial for maintaining, debugging, and monitoring Java applications. Log4j is a complete logging framework. SLF4J is an abstraction layer. It lets developers switch between logging frameworks easily. By knowing both strengths and uses, developers can choose a fitting logging strategy.